In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and master an email marketing automation workflow using Mailerlite. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to engage with your audience and promote your brand. And with Mailerlite, the process is simple and streamlined. Start by heading over to Mailerlite.com and log in, preferably with your Google account for a quick sign-in. And once you're on the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab, then hit Create Campaign. Choose Regular Campaign, give it a clear name, and write a strong subject line that grabs attention. Next, go to the Recipients tab, select All Active Subscribers, and confirm. Now move to the Content section where you can pick a template from the gallery, customize it to match your brand, and finish editing. Once everything looks good, click Send to launch your campaign, and that's it. You've successfully created and sent an automated email marketing campaign with Mailerlite.